My name is Dr. P.C. Patel, retired research scientist, Anand Agricultural University, Anand, Gujarat. The topic of my YouTube is the hidden diester in Indian soil that only Super Napier can repair. Powerful opening hook, soil crisis plus science plus business opportunity. Indian soil is dying, organic carbon levels are collapsing, fertile fields are turning into barren dust, but deep underground, a quiet biological solution is already working. The aggressive root system of Super Hybrid Napier grass. This is not just another fodder crop. It is a soil repair engine, a high biomass energy crop, and a multi-crores opportunity for farmers, researchers, industries, and entrepreneurs. So you can see here in left side the cracked dry soil of Indian soil. Then you can see here the zoom root system of the Super Hybrid Napier grass. Then you can see here the harvesting of Super Napier for dairy animals. And here you can see that Bio-CNG project at Dhangadra based on Super Hybrid Napier grass. The crisis, why everyone should care for farmers, yield stagnates, fertilizer bills rise, water disappears, soil becomes hard. For researchers and students, this is the visible face of soil organic carbon collapse, the single most critical indicator of long-term soil health. For industries and entrepreneurs, degraded soil means unreliable feedstock and higher risk for Bio-CNG and biomass projects. Decades of intensive tillage and chemical dependence have stripped the living foundation of Indian agriculture. Without organic carbon, soil structure collapse, microbe die, and nutrient leach away. The good news, a perennial grass already proven in Indian condition can reverse this process while creating new value chains. The science that excites researchers and students. Here, the new scientific angle. So here you can see the root cross-section of the Super Hybrid Napier grass. So Super Hybrid Napier develops an extensive deep fibrous root system that routinely explores soil layer far below the plow zone, often reaching 1.5 to 2 meters or more. These roots do three powerful things. One, trap nutrients and water from deeper soil layers that shallow-rooted annual crops cannot access. Second, deposit massive root biomass every year. More root biomass is equal to continuous addition of organic carbon into the soil profile. Third one, because it is a true perennial harvested by returning, cutting above ground level. There is almost no soil disturbance for 5 to 7 years. Soil structures aggregate and microbial community remain intact. So we are knowing the benefits of the zero delay system over the continuous tillage operation. The science that excites researchers and students. Indian and tropical research has already documented significant soil organic carbon gain under hybrid Napier systems. Often 30 plus tons per hectare increases over time with a large portion stored below 30 centimeter. Zero tillage or minimum disturbance management amplifies this carbon sequestration effect. For agriculture students and researchers, this is a living example of regenerative science, perennial root acting as biological tools for physical and chemical soil repair. How Super Napier repairs Indian soil. First one, deep fibrous roots trap nutrient and water from deep layer. Second one, high root biomass. More root biomass is equal to higher soil organic carbon. Third one, perennial and zero relay. No soil disturbance, protect structures and microbes. So we are knowing the benefit of the zero relay systems. So in a hybrid Napier grass, there is no disturbance of this soil because once it's planted, it remains for 5 to 6 years. So it protects the soil structures as well as the microbes, and we are knowing the benefit of the soil structures and microbes. Fourth one, dual output animal feed plus Bio-CNG plus biopellet. So Napier grass can be used for multi-purpose. Practical power for farmers. Now the part every farmers want to hear. Super Napier is hardy, high-yielding perennial. Under good management, it delivers 150 to 250 tons of green biomass per acre per year in 6 to 8 cuts possible. 14 to 18% full protein, excellent for dairy and other livestock. Strong drought and stress tolerance once established because it has deep rooted system. Very low pest and disease pressure compared to many annual crops. So it is a hardy crops. No infestation of disease and pest in Napier grass. Minimal need for annual plowing, soil structure stays protected. So when we are not disturbing soil, then we maintain the soil structures and we are knowing the benefit of the soil structure over the destroy the soil structures. Yet you get high quality green fodder for your animals and surplus biomass that can be sold to Bio-CNG plant or pellets in it. Many farmers are already combining dairy plus biomass cell, turning one crop into two income streams while slowly rebuilding their soil. Industries and entrepreneur opportunity. For industries and entrepreneurs, Super Napiers solve the biggest headache in Bio-CNG and biopellet project. Consistent, high volume, year-round feedstock. Unlike seasonal crop residue, Super Napier can be harvested multiple times a year. Methane yields are competitive. The same biomass work for both compressed biogas under set and other schemes and densified biopellets. The circular model is powerful. Farmers grow Super Napier, supply biomass to CBG or pellet plants, receive organic slurry or manure back or improve the soil fertility. Soil improves, yield rise, more reliable supply. This creates bankable value chains, rural employment, and a genuine regenerative energy crop. Early movers who secure farmer clusters and buyback agreements are already building strong positions. Call to action. Whether you are a farmer looking to restore land and increase income, a researcher studying soil carbon, a student learning regenerative systems, an industry player needing reliable biomass, or an entrepreneur building the next Bio-CNG or pellet project, Super Hybrid Napiers deserves serious attention. The soil crisis is real. The biological solution is already growing in Indian fields. If this video helped you see the full picture, like, share and comment. Tell us, are you more interested in cultivation practices, soil carbon data, or Bio-CNG business models? We will make the next video based on your response. Subscribe plus next detailed Super Napier cultivation and economic guide. You can see that key reference is scientifically supported. So these are drawn from peer reviews and field research on hybrid Napier, Penicillium purpureum system in India and the tropics. Indian soil is quietly dying, but the solution is already growing in our field. Super Napier, deep roots, messy root biomass, and perennial nature can rebuild soil carbon, protect soil life, feed our animals, and power the Bio-CNG revolution all at the same time. If this video open your eyes, do three things right now. Like this video. Second, share it with every farmer, student, researcher, and entrepreneur you know. Third one, comment below. Are you a farmer, researchers, industry person, or student? Tell me what you want next. Together, we can turn dying soil into living wealth. The future of Indian agriculture is underground in the roots. Subscribe and let us grow this movement. My name is Dr. P.C. Patel. My WhatsApp number 99090222116. Email patelpc12@gmail.com. If you want my consultancy on soil health evolution, super hybrid Napier planting, or you want the two stem cutting of the super hybrid Napier grass, so I am available and I have given my WhatsApp number and email. Or if you get the low crop productivity of the super Napier or other crops, then you may please contact. So thank you very much.